Are you looking for the best electric sliding gate openers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best electric sliding gate openers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
At number 5. Popsport Sliding Gate Opener. This Popsport product is one of the best electric sliding openers that come with a 4-button remote for performing various activities like open, close, etc. There are also pedestrian and safety features in this gate for making the operation easier. You can set the auto close feature at the interval of 12, 24, or 36 seconds according to convenience. You can also disable this feature without any problem. It can be used from a maximum distance of 40 feet. At number 4. Ghost Controls TSS1XP Automatic Gate Opener Kit. If you are looking for a hassle-free product at an affordable price, then this one should be on the top of your list. It is available in 4 different variants for the convenience of the customers. The company offers a lifetime warranty on the motor and gear assembly. This product can be used on all types of swing gates up to 20 feet, whether it is decorative or plantation type. Plenty of well-known organizations certify its system. At number 3. Mighty Mule EZGO Solar. The product that tops our list is the EZGO Solar manufactured by the Mighty Mule. This battery-operated sliding gate opener can be installed quite easily. There is a solar panel installed by the company for charging the battery that can turn out to be very useful for some individuals. This product equips with a DIY kit that allows even a homeowner to install this gate opener without professional help. Furthermore, the price of this product is quite affordable to buy too. At number 2. Liftmaster LA400 PKGU Dual Swing Gate Opener Kit. Liftmaster is one of the most amazing sliding gate openers that you can buy for endless performance and durability. It is based on the MyQ technology and allows the individual to control the opener from the tablet, computer, or even a smartphone. This gate opener has the ability to up to 400 cycles due to its solid-powered battery. It comes with a high-quality mechanism that allows the product to last for years without creating any problem. Also, this product equips with customizable security alerts that can be very useful in a variety of conditions. At number 1. US Automatic 020320 Sentry 300. We will place this commercial-grade opener in this position due to its high quality and effectiveness. It is powered by a 12 volts DC battery that equips an AC transformer to come free with this product. Another top-class benefit of having this product is its capability to compatible with a solar panel. It comes with a Sentry plug-and-go wiring feature that makes the installation process very easier. Also, all the instructions needed to install this opener come with this product.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.